We're going to be using Blender to animate our models. When you run Blender, the default settings that come with it are not going to work very well for us. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's not the one that you should be working in. It comes with a cube like this. So if you see this, you need to stop right away and go back and get the template that I have here. When you click on it, it's going to go to my Google Drive, and you can download this file. We can open it up directly and make a couple of changes to this, very important ones. One of them is the output. Right up here we have the little printer icon, printer's output paper. So look for that and go down to the output section. It may be collapsed like this. This is the folder it's going to send your videos to. It needs to be your output folder. Click on that little folder and find your NEISD folder. So right here you click on Home, go to OneDrive, and find your project folders. Inside of your 3D modeling project folder should be one specifically for Blender, and we are going to go ahead and add a bookmark here. Just click on it, you'll be able to get back here very easily. Now the output folder is where we need to be when we click Accept. You should see your username Blender output right here. Another really important thing to do is to make sure we're using our graphics cards. It'll make things work much faster. Go to Edit, Preferences, and go down to System. By default it'll be here, so go down to System and change it from None over here to Optics. Make sure our graphics card is selected here. And we want to make this our new startup file. So every time we start Blender with a new project, it'll already be set for us. Go to File, Defaults, and save this as our startup file. You just overwrite the factory one. And finally, let's put this in a safe place. File, Save As, and we got our Blender folder right here. Let's do this too. Go ahead and insert the word My, because this is your customized template for Blender. I downloaded more than once, just in case things get messed up and you want to reset your startup file. Now let's verify this. We'll close Blender and just run it again. BLE, and that should bring it up. Remember, you can't install it from the website. You have to get it from the Software Center, and there we are, no cube. That's a good sign. Output set to your folder. Very important.